To create this design, you need to add a cylinder with the 24 words. Then go to the top view, go to the edit mode, turn on the X-ray mode, select these words and right click connect vertex pair. Then select these faces and then E to extrude them and move them along the y-axis. And then delete the spaces. Then select everything and S, Z and scale it along the z-axis. Apply the scale. Then select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then shift A, mesh, add a cylinder and this time you need to add 16 word cylinder. Then rotate the cylinder into 90 degree and scale it down and move it along the y-axis in this way. Then scale it down little bit. Then select these two objects and shift Q, use the boolean operation union. Select this cutter object and try to adjust its scale. So you are not going to face any difficulty with the boolean modifier. Then apply the boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Now we need to take the symmetry. So go to the edit mode, select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then delete the 1/3 of the model. Apply the rotation. Now we need to create right topology here. Select this face and delete it. Select this face and snap 3D cursor to it. Then select this edge loop. Then change the transform point to 3D cursor. And then S, Z and give the value 0. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance. So double words will get merged. Select this face and use the insert operation. And press B to avoid the border. Then add one loop cut here in this way. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then create a cut along the x-axis in this way. Then select this word and move it along the z-axis. Then select this words and merge at last. And then dissolve this edge. You will get this kind of loop structure. Dissolve this edge. Select these words and merge at last. Add one loop cut here and select these words and press J to connect them. Move this edge along the z-axis and add one loop cut here. Dissolve this edge and dissolve this edge loop. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Move this edge along the z-axis. You can add one loop cut here. And now you are getting this kind of loop structure. Add one loop cut here. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it and add 2 loop cuts. Then use the knife tool and create cuts along the y-axis. Then create cuts along the x-axis. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Select these faces and delete it. Select this edge loop and go to the face grid fill. Adjust the offset and turn on the simple blending. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Then take the symmetry and then add one loop cut here and add a few more loop cuts. Then hit the Ctrl 2 and add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. You will get this kind of design. If you are getting this kind of pinching, then just dissolve this edge loop. You can dissolve this edge loop also, so you can get chord-based topology at there. Here you can see. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see the form and you can see the topology. You are going to get little pinching at this part, but that's a real world observation. And you can see these kind of designs in charger plug or something like that. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.